Hello, kids! Today we will learn animal sounds together.
Cat, Billy. Cat says meow, meow.
Dog, kutta. Dog says woof, woof. Elephant, hathi. Elephant says trumpet. Cow, guy. Cow says moo moo. Sheep, bhed. Sheep says baba. Duck, buttock. Duck says quack quack.
Hen, murgi. Hen says cluck cluck.
Cat, Billy. Cat says meow, meow.
Lion, share. Lion says roar.
Hen, murgi. Hen says cluck cluck.
Horse, ghoda. Horse says neigh neigh. Woof woof.
Great job, kids! Now you know 10 animals and their sounds.